21-19 in favor of Pride. Picture, picture. United Filipino Organization Badminton Cup. Court number 19, Fiji versus PSME. Game number 44 at court 11, players Alison and Seth versus Jose and Ryan. Once again, game number 44 at court 11, players Alison and Seth versus Jose and Ryan. Court number 19, 13, wala palang 19. Winner, PJ. Game number 35, court number 13. Fiji versus PSME. Winner, Fiji. Game number 40, court 13, Alison and Seth versus Ariel and TJ, UAP. Once again, game number 40, court 13, Alison and Seth versus Ariel and TJ. Once again, game number 40 at court 13, players Alison and Seth versus Ariel and TJ. Alizon and Seth. Game number 40, Pies versus UAP. Once again, game number 40 at court 13, Pies versus UAP. Pies, Alison and Seth. UAP, Ariel and TJ. Asa na yung TJ? Game number 46.
Gagalit ko ba? Gagalit ko ba pati mo? Kahit lang
Game number 46 at court 5. UAP versus Isaac. Winner, UAP. Game number 40. Pies versus UAP at court 13. Alison and Seth versus Ariel and TJ. Game number 42 at court 7. UAP versus Isaac. Winner, Isaac. Wala. Game 40 at court 13. Pies, players, Alison and Seth versus UAP, Ariel and TJ. Game number 47. Gilbert and Danray versus Sam and Victor at court 7. Court 7 sila sir. Sir Gilbert, court hindi pa sir.
Kain.
Officer maglalaro. Yung hammer. Guys, can we have a volunteer linesman at court 13? Pwede po ba kayo ng volunteer? Ayun na lang si Ma'am Grace. Ito, wait for natin siya. At saka si Sir. Sir, baka pwede. Ayun na kayo ba? Ayun na kayo na Ma'am, thank you. Sir Victor, court number 7 kayo. Court number 9. IIE versus Fiji. Score 19-14 in favor of Fiji. Court number 9. IIE versus Fiji. Winner, Fiji.
Sir, linesman.
UFB Inter-Org Badminton Cup live at IIE YouTube channel. Court number 13, UAP versus Isa? 5,